3D printing can get expensive fast, but this $75 filament bundle gives you 10 rolls for the price of just 3. Normally, one roll of PLA or PETG costs $20 to $30, which means up to $300 for 10 rolls. But with this deal, you're paying just $7.50 per roll, and shipping is free. Running out of filament mid-project or paying too much for just one color is frustrating, and every maker needs affordable, reliable filament on hand. Did you know that filament color actually changes print behavior? Pigments influence how much heat the filament absorbs. Darker colors often need slightly higher extrusion temperatures and can even alter melt behavior subtly. But here's the neat part. Recent testing found these differences are usually small, so a quality color mix still delivers reliable strength and layer adhesion. This is the Kingroon 22LBS 3D printer filament bundle, 10 full rolls of PLA or PETG in a mix of colors. You're getting unbeatable value with consistent feeding that won't clog, eco-friendly material, and colors that fuel your creativity. It's rated 4.8 stars with over 5,000 sales and 350 plus reviews, trusted worldwide by hobbyists, students, and pros. Check the link in the comments and grab your $75 bundle today. Don't waste $300 when you can get the same quality for just $75. Stock up now with the link below.